Respiratory research updates covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Beam Therapeutics has received orphan drug designation from the FDA for Beam 302, a gene editing therapy for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. This recognition is based on encouraging phase 1-2 results that demonstrated durable gene correction. The therapy also holds RMAT designation, with trials ongoing. Sanofi's itepekimab has delivered mixed outcomes in its phase 3 COPD trials. AERIFY-1 met its endpoint with a 27% reduction in exacerbations, while AERIFY-2 did not meet its primary goal. Safety was consistent across doses, and the program's future is currently under regulatory review. Chimera Therapeutics' STAT6 degrader, KT-621, has shown compelling results in phase 1. It achieved over 90% degradation of STAT6 at low doses and demonstrated biomarker reductions comparable to or better than dupilumab. The drug was well tolerated. A phase 1b trial in atopic dermatitis is ongoing, with phase 2b studies in both atopic dermatitis and asthma planned. Trevi Therapeutics has announced that Haduvio achieved a breakthrough in treating chronic cough associated with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. All dose groups showed statistically significant cough reduction. The 108 mg twice-daily dose delivered a 43.3% placebo-adjusted improvement. A phase 3 program is scheduled to begin in 2026. Lyra Therapeutics, ADEL-YR210, met both primary and key secondary endpoints in its phase 3 Enlighten-2 trial for chronic rhinosinusitis. Patients experienced significant symptom improvement, including in the SNOT-22 score. LYR210 provides 6 months of localized therapy through a nasal implant. At ATS 2025, Daewoong Pharmaceutical presented interim phase 2 data for bersiporosin in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. This first-in-class PRS inhibitor aims to halt fibrosis progression. 79 patients have been enrolled globally, with 70% receiving standard of care combination therapy. Sanofi has licensed Nurix Therapeutics' STAT6 degrader, NX-3911, for allergic diseases. The deal includes a $15 million upfront payment, with Nurix eligible for up to $465 million in milestone payments. NX-3911 is an oral agent with anti-inflammatory effects resembling a gene knockout. Mindset Medical has received FDA clearance for its contactless respiratory monitoring app. The software tracks respiratory rate using smartphone or laptop cameras. This follows its prior clearance for pulse rate monitoring in 2024. The app supports telehealth by providing real-time vital signs without requiring external hardware. Sionna Therapeutics is advancing its cystic fibrosis protein stabilizers after positive phase 1 data. Sion 719 and Sion 451 met pharmacokinetic targets in healthy volunteers and were well tolerated with no serious adverse events. Sion 719 will move to a phase 2A trial as an add-on to standard of care. A dual combination trial for Sion 451 is planned for the second half of 2025. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us